Hello everyone, myself Prabhat Singh, Assistant Professor from ABS Engineering College, Ghaziabad. Today I will discuss the topic logic gates from the subject discrete structures and theory of logic. Till now I have discussed about the Boolean algebra, various axioms of Boolean algebra as well as the basic theorems of Boolean algebra. Right? Now I will discuss about the logic gates. Right? So starting from what is a logic gate? Logic gates and digital circuit is one of the most important topics if we talk about the electronics background and computer science background. And these topics are widely being asked in digital logic design subject. Agreed? But in discrete mathematics, we also discuss about the logic gates as well as digital circuits. Right? Starting from the definition of logic gates. The logic gates are an important concept if you are studying in electronics and computer science branch. Logic gate is one of the most important subjects or the topics or the concept if you are studying from an electronics engineer or a computer science engineer, right? These are the important digital devices. They are the important digital devices that are mainly based on the Boolean function. Basically क्या है? ये वो डिवाइसेस हैं जो एक बूलियन फंक्शन पे बेस्ड हैं. बेसिकली हम एक बूलियन फंक्शन को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ लॉजिक गेट्स और लॉजिक गेट्स को हम रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ बूलियन फंक्शन. एग्रीड? सो दीज आर द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट डिजिटल डिवाइसेस. नाउ लॉजिक गेट्स आर यूज्ड टू कैरी आउट लॉजिकल ऑपरेशंस on single or multiple binary inputs and give one binary output. This is one of the most important statement. Logic gates are used to carry out logical operations on single or multiple binary inputs. एक binary input हो या multiple binary inputs हो and give one binary output. बेसिकली क्या है कि अगर हमारे पास कुछ A और B दो इनपुट्स हैं तो कुछ लॉजिकल ऑपरेशंस को यूज करते हुए दैट इज एंड और नैंड नॉर नॉट, इन सारे लॉजिकल ऑपरेशंस को यूज करते हुए उस इनपुट A और B से हम कोई एक आउटपुट जनरेट कर रहे हैं. दैट इज अ लॉजिक गेट. I once again repeat, logic gates are used to carry out logical operations on single or multiple binary inputs in order to give one binary output. Agreed? In simple terms, logic gates are the electronic circuits in a digital system. अगर बिल्कुल सिंपल टर्म्स में बात करें तो लॉजिक गेट्स क्या हैं? लॉजिक गेट्स इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सर्किट्स हैं इन द डिजिटल सिस्टम. एग्रीड? सो इन दिस लेक्चर आई विल डिस्कस अबाउट अ वेरियस टाइप ऑफ लॉजिक गेट्स विद देयर ट्रूथ टेबल्स एंड अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट ईच वन इज डेजिग्नेटेड फॉर. So what we will do in this lecture, we will discuss about the different type of logic gates as well as their truth tables, as well as understand why we are doing this and what these logic gates has been designated for. Agreed? So the basic understanding of this slide or the basic takeaways from the definition of logic gate is that logic gates are used to perform various logical operations on a single input or multiple input in order to produce an output. Basically, logical operations can be AND or NOT, NAND, NOR, XOR, XNOR. There can be multiple logical operations. So what our focus is, logic gates using some logical operations produces an output from a single input or multiple inputs, as well as logic gates are defined using Boolean functions, as well as Boolean functions can be defined through the logic gates as well. Starting from the basic logic gates, there are types of basic logic gates. So the basic logic gates are what? There are several basic logic gates used in performing logical operations in digital system. Basically, कुछ लॉजिक गेट्स हैं जिनसे हम लॉजिकल ऑपरेशंस परफॉर्म करते हैं डिजिटल सिस्टम में. द कॉमन वंस आर OR गेट, AND gate, NOT gate and XOR gate. These are the common logical gates or logic gates, right? So these logic gates are used further to perform logical operations in digital system. Agreed? Additionally, these gates can also be found in a combination of one or two. अब इसके बाद हम AND और NOT को जानते हैं, दैट इज स्टैंडर्ड लॉजिक गेट्स. NAND हम प्रोड्यूस करते हैं AND और NOT से, NOR हम प्रोड्यूस करते हैं NAND, NOT और OR से, राइट. इसके अलावा अगर मैं बात करूं AND और NOT, NAND, NOR, देन कम्स आउट XOR. XOR और XNOR. XOR कैसे आ रहा है हमारा? इट्स बेसिकली A कॉम्प्लीमेंट B प्लस A B कॉम्प्लीमेंट, राइट. नेक्स्ट इज XNOR. So these are the various logic gate as well as the converted logic gates, right? Therefore, we get other gates such as NAND gate, NOR gate, XNOR gate and XNOR gate. XOR gate and XNOR gate are also the derived gates, right? So what we will say is the basic logic gates are AND, OR and NOT, and the derived logic gate are the NAND, NOR, XOR and XNOR, right? Now we will see how the truth table of this been designed, how they are represented in the terms of a logic gate, and how we can write the Boolean function of these logic gates. We will see the definition of each one of them one by one with the help of their logic gates, with the help of their Boolean function, with the help of the truth table. Always remember one thing, there is always a question in the university examination that for this logic gate write the Boolean function, or for this Boolean function write the logic gates. Draw the logic gates. So please understand and listen to this lecture seriously for the next 20 minutes to understand the basic logic gates as well as the derived logic gates. Starting from the first gate, that is OR gate. In OR gate, the output of an OR gate attains the state 1 if one or more inputs attain the state 1. So this is a basic definition of an OR gate. OR gate क्या कहना चाह रहा है यहाँ पे कि आउटपुट 1 आएगा जब इनपुट में एक या एक से ज्यादा इनपुट पे 1 आ रहा हो. तो आउटपुट विल बी 1 व्हेन if one of the input is 1, then the output is 1. So this is a basic definition. Now, how we represent this in the form of a logic gate? This is A, this is B, and this is the representation of OR gate. And what we will do in this? A as an input, B as an input, will produce this as an output. Agreed? So A and B as an input will produce A plus B as an output with the help of this symbol given to us, with the help of this representation, as this is a representation of OR. right? Now, next step, the Boolean expression of OR gate is y equal to a plus b. This is a, this is b. Using this, we get a plus b. Read as y equals to a or b. इसको हम कैसे पढ़ रहे हैं? y equals to a or b. And the basic truth table for 2 input OR basic gate is given as what? ये 2 input का OR gate था, 3 inputs पे क्या हो या 4 inputs पे हो, तो what we need to do is, अगर कोई भी इनपुट में 1 आ रहा है, then output will be 1 in case of OR gate. This is a basic definition of OR. Right? So input A is given, input B is given. We have written all the 4 possibilities of 2 inputs. That is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. And with this, we attain output as 0, 1, 1, 1. This is the output we have attained from the statement that if any of the input carrying 1, then the output will be 1. So this was a representation of OR gate. Now we will see the representation of AND gate. So, the basic definition of AND gate, in AND gate, the output of an AND gate attains the state 1. Output 1 कब आएगा? जब उसके सारे inputs 1 होंगे. So, please differentiate OR and AND here. In OR, if any of the input is 1, then the output is 1. In AND, if all the inputs are 1, then only the output is 1. So, now we will see the representation of this with the help of the diagram given to us. This is input A, this is input B. With the help of this box, we represent y equal to A dot B. Right? This is A dot B as an output. Right? Next, the Boolean expression of AND gate is represented by y equal to A dot B. And the truth table of 2 input AND basic gate is given by this. Truth table क्या है? कि A है, मैंने सारे inputs लिखे 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 and we get an output as this. In output, what we are getting is, if both the inputs are 1, then only the output is 1. Agreed? So, this is an AND gate. Now, we will see NOT gate. So, starting from the basic definition of NOT gate, in NOT gate, the output of NOT gate attains the state 1 if and only if input does not attain the state 1. कहने का क्या मतलब है? आउटपुट स्टेट 1 अटेन करेगा जब इनपुट does not attain the state 1. So we can say this, output will attain the state 1 only if input does not attain the state 1. Agreed? So this is a basic definition. And how this is an input given? This is a representation with this circle here. This means that we are doing the negation of this. Whatever the A is, output will be y A complement. Right? कुछ भी A में हो आपके पास input, output उसका just opposite आएगा. तो the Boolean expression is y equals to A dash. Reads as y equals to not A. That is the complement of A. Next, the truth table of NOT gate is as follows. That is, if A is an input with 0, then A y equal to A dash will be what? 1. If it is 1, then y equal to A dash will be 0. Now, the 3 gates OR, AND, and NOT when connected in various combinations, give us basic logic gates such as NAND and NOR, which are the universal building blocks of the digital circuits. So basically what we are saying is, when AND, OR and NOT are connected through various different logic gates, then we will generate NAND and NOR. So various combinations of AND, OR and NOT generates NAND, NOR. Right. Now we will see the next operation, NAND. How we will generate NAND from AND, OR and NOT. How we will generate NOR from OR, AND and NOT. Let's see the basic definition of NAND gate. This basic logic gate is a combination of AND and NOT gate. So what is NAND? NAND is basically the combination of AND and NOT. मतलब क्या? AND करने के बाद उसका negation कर देना is NAND gate. So what we will see here, the basic representation is this. So this was a representation of AND also, but we have added this small circle representing the negation, or this small circle is representing what? This A goes as an input, B goes as an input, and this is A dot B. If this is not available, then complement of this will produce this A dot B ka whole complement. So what we have done here, we have drawn the structure of AND gate, apply the negation with this circle here, and with NOT. This is AND, this is NOT, then produce output as A, B ka complement. So this is the basic representation in Boolean function. The Boolean expression of NAND gate is this, right? This is an expression of NAND gate, right? The truth table of NAND gate is given as. So what we will do, we have explored all the inputs of A and B in a possibility of two inputs, that is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. And then after doing this, we will do here what? A dot B. So A dot B is what? When both the inputs are 1, then A dot B is 1. That is 0, 0, 0 and 1. And after doing this, the negation of this will produce this. What we are getting here, this 0 complement, देखेंगे तो 1, 0 complement 1, 0 complement 1, 1 का complement 0, and we get output as this. Now we will see NOR gate. This gate is basically a combination of OR and NOT that we can see here as well. First, this is a representation of OR. This is NOT. So OR plus NOT will give NOR gate, and what we will get here is A plus B or iska complement, right? So the Boolean expression of NOR gate is A plus B ka whole complement. Now the truth table of NOR gate. We have explored all the possibilities of A and B with a length of a string as Q, and here we will calculate A plus B, that is OR gate, that is 0, 1, 1, 1, and now we will calculate A plus B ka whole complement, that is this only. Agreed? So we can easily understand what is the difference between this and how the complement is being taken. Next we will see XOR gate, right? Exclusive OR या XOR. In XOR gate, the output of a two-input XOR gate attains the state 1. दो इनपुट का XOR गेट आउटपुट 1 कब देगा? इफ 1 adds only input attains the state 1. That is, 1 adds only input attains the state 1. कहने का ये मतलब है XOR गेट वो होगा जिसमें एक इनपुट 1 है, दोनों इनपुट 1 है या दोनों इनपुट 0 हैं, वो हमारी वैल्यू वहां पे 0 आएगी। कहने का इतना मतलब कि अगर मेरे पास कोई भी इनपुट 1 है तो उसका आउटपुट 1 आएगा। मतलब हमने ए की सारी पॉसिबिलिटी एक्सप्लोर करी, बी की सारी पॉसिबिलिटी एक्सप्लोर करी, और हमने कहा जैसे यहां पे ये 1 है, इस वाले में ये 1 है, इसीलिए यहां पे 1 है, बाकी इन दोनों 0 पे 0 है, इन दोनों 1 पे 1 है, 0 है। तो व्हाट वी आर सेइंग इज इफ एनी ऑफ द इनपुट, simple if we say if one input is 0 and one input is 1, then output is 1. So this is XOR gate, right? So what we are saying is how we will represent the XOR gate here. This is the this is OR, and this is basically the representation of exclusive of this. So exclusive of this means that we will get y equal to a plus this means, and this is XOR. Now what is the expansion of this? This is a b complement plus a complement b, right? This is XOR gate, right? So what we will see, the Boolean expression of XOR gate is this: AB complement A complement B, represented by this, and XOR gate is shown through the truth table as this, right? So if we want to see this, that is, if we see here A B complement, so what will happen? A B complement is what? B complement will be what? 1 0 1 0. So A B complement will be what? 0 0 1 0. This is one thing. Now we will see that A complement B. A complement will be what? 1 1 0 0. A complement B will be what? 0 1 0 0. Now the summation of this will be what? 0 0 plus 1 ka 1, 1 plus 0 ka 1, or 0 0 ka 0. That's why we are saying that y A XOR B is equal to A complement B plus A B complement. Now we will see the XNOR of this. Basically XNOR is what? Basically XNOR is the complement of XOR gate, right? So what we are saying, XNOR is the complement of XOR gate, right? The negation against a XOR gate will produce XNOR. That is, in XNOR the output is in state 1 if both inputs are same, that is 0 and 1. अगर दोनों इनपुट 0 and 1 हैं, अगर दोनों इनपुट 0 हैं या दोनों इनपुट 1 है, तो आउटपुट 1 आएगा, राइट? अर्लियर व्हाट वी आर सेइंग, अगर 0 1 और 1 0 है तो मेरा 1 आएगा. नाउ व्हाट वी आर सेइंग इज 0 0 है या 1 1 है तो मेरा आउटपुट व्हाट विल बी 1. So what we have done, we have done the negation of this, right? So this was the structure of XNOR gate. This is OR, this is XNOR, X, and this is negation. So what? X, OR, and N not, that is equal to XNOR. Similarly, the Boolean expression of this is AB plus AB का complement. That is, what we will say is, भाई ए बी हुआ कुछ, ए बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट हुआ, ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट बी हुआ, एंड ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट हुआ. सो व्हाट वी आर सेइंग इज दिस वाला पार्ट इज ऑलरेडी व्हाट? 0 1 एंड 1 0. दिस इज XOR, एंड दिस वाला पार्ट इज XNOR, negation. तो दिस इज अ Boolean expression for this. Agreed? So we can see this with the help of this truth tables as well. We have explored all the possibilities of this, and we have represented this as 1 and this as 1 here. Right? Now next is NAND gate. So how we achieve the NAND gate? From and not. This is and, we get this, then done the negation, we get this as an output. So this is exploring this thing, that is AND gate, receive an output A dot B, then perform the negation, that is A dot B ka complement, that is A dot B ka negation. And this is what we will get in the truth table as well. This is this, A dot B is calculated and A dot B ka negation is this. So we get this as an output in case of what? A dot B in case of NAND. Right. Next, if we saw NOR gate, this is OR and NOT. We have seen this OR, then we will see this NOT. Then this is OR, this is NOT. This we will get as A plus B ka complement. Right. Now, the Boolean expression this and the truth table is represented by this. So, ये A की truth table, ये B की, and Y we get it Y dash is equal to A plus B. और यहाँ पे हमने निकाल लिया A plus B का complement, और ये आ गया हमारा वही चीज NOR गेट. राइट. तो NOR गेट में हम सिंपली NAND में हम क्या कर रहे थे, हमारे पास A डॉट B का कॉम्प्लीमेंट था, यहां होगा A प्लस B का कॉम्प्लीमेंट. राइट. नेक्स्ट इज XOR गेट. XOR gate is what? Not and an OR. So what we will do is, this is input A, this is input B. A after negation, we know the truth table of this. A or B is written as what? A B complement plus A complement B. So what we have done is, this is A complement after this negation, this is B. So what we will get here is Y equal to, this is AND, A complement dot B. Here we will get Y equal to A B complement. Now when this and this inputs goes into this OR gate, we will get what? This as an output. So this is the representation of a XOR gate, and we are representing this XOR gate with the help of truth tables as this, कि 0 1 है तो 1, 1 0 है तो 1, otherwise 0 and 0. Agreed. Last one is XNOR gate, that is XOR plus NOT. So we will simply show the logic gate for this, that is A and B are the input given to us, this is XOR gate, and the negation of this is given to us, this is output is this. So what we have done here is A complement B plus A B complement का whole complement अगर मैं निकालूं, then it is AB plus A complement B complement. Or if we will talk as this, if we talk as this, yes, this is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. This is output 1, this is output 1 in XOR. Right. This is output 1 and this is output 1 in XNOR. So what we are saying, this is what? AB. This is what? दोनों का complement, A complement, B complement. Right. और यहां पे अगर मैं बात करूं, 0 means A and 1 means complement. So this is A B complement and this is A complement and B. So what we will simply say is A complement B plus A B complement is XOR and A B plus A B complement is XNOR. So these are the basic demonstration of all the logic gates I have discussed in this. So please remember, there is always a question in university examination to write a Boolean expression using this logic gate or to draw a logic gate for this Boolean expression. Hope you all have understood this lecture. Thank you everyone.